Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Cancers. So these cards are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance. And today I'll be picking one card for your moon energy. So we will leave it here. And one card for your love guidance, guys. So I will leave this card here. We will see what it is as we proceed, and today we are picking one fortune cookie card for you all, guys. This will be the card. We will see what it is after we finish with these cards. So for your general energies, Cancers, we have Three of Swords, King of Cups in reverse, and Lovers. So in your circumstances today, Cancers, maybe in your life, in this relationship, or in your personal life, or in your work situation, you feel that balance and harmony today, guys. You are trying to do something, in the right way, maybe trying to identify what is important to you and what will be the right way to handle your circumstances. And maybe for some of you, you are making some important choices in this relationship. You love this person and you feel that they love you also. But maybe for some of you, you just want to know the truth whether this person loves you or not. So maybe you feel that your love is not being reciprocated, and this person may not be honest, you feel today, guys. This person is not telling you something, maybe, and you feel that they have something hidden in their heart, something they are holding back from you. And though you love this person and you are doing things the right way from your point of view, but something is there in their heart, something they are not revealing. And maybe for some of you, you hear something about this person. You may be hearing from your friends or family members or your common friends or your colleagues something about them, and it may give you a vague idea that maybe this person is seeing someone else or they are with someone else. And you may feel that that may be the reason for the way things are going in this relationship, the way they are with you. Maybe they do not have that enthusiasm like before, or they are not cheerful with you, or they do not show any interest in you. And they may be seeing someone else. That may be the reason for the way they are with you, guys. And this person, you feel that their attitude has changed and they are different today, and that may be because of a presence of someone else. Maybe there is another person here coming in between you both, and maybe the rumors are right, or the rumors have proved right for you all today, guys. So this person is seeing someone else, maybe for some of you. That is what I see with these cards. And Though you love them, though you are honest, they do not see the value of your love today, guys. Maybe Cancers, for some of you, that is what I see. So, for your relationship, we picked one card. And this card just means that you are having a very good relationship, guys. Maybe. So, there is a chance for things to go either way. Maybe it may just be a rumor you hear about them. So, the right way to find out about their true intentions is to have that communication, guys. Clear communication, that is going to help you today, Cancers. That is going to give you clarity in your circumstances. So, for your work situation, we picked one card. So, we will see what it is. It is 10 of Cups in reverse. So, with this card, it just means maybe you have made a lot of efforts, you have worked really hard, but things are not going as expected. There may be some difficulties, some delays in your work, and something may obstruct the way things are going. So, whatever returns you expect may not happen just like you expected, guys, Cancers. So, for your moon energies, Cancers, we picked this card. Let's see what it is. A time to give rather than take. So, it just means that in your circumstances today, you must take stock, find out what is the most important thing for you today. So, you must recommit yourself to your goals, find out where things are going wrong. Maybe pay attention to details. So, same way in your relationship, you must take stock, be really clever. You must be simple and well organized. Think clearly for yourself. Find out where things are going wrong. And maybe if you are such a beautiful answer for you all guys here, Cancers. So maybe just like we saw with the previous cards, maybe this you feel that this person is not to be trusted. With this card is answering that they can be trusted, guys, and they are reliable. Maybe rumors are just rumors. You need not believe. That is what I see, guys. Such a beautiful answer for you all today, guys. With these cards, Cancers, you need not worry. So this person is reliable and trustworthy, Cancers. So for your love guidance, we picked one card and it says present. So this just means that we must live in the moment, see what our situation is. So instead of just worrying about the past, that is not going to help us in any way because we are powerless to change anything of the past. And worries about the future, we cannot do anything about that still. So that is just an unneeded stress we are putting on ourselves. So, being present, appreciating the present moment, whatever is happening each and every second of our life. When we do that, we are going to feel more happy, feel more harmonious and balanced when we live one day at a time, guys. So, that is the energy with this card, Cancers. So, for your fortune cookie, let's see what is the card. We have love. Love is in the air, a great time for commitment and taking relationships to the next level. So maybe again this card has proved that it is true love that you have between yourself and this person, and maybe they are reliable, trustworthy, guys. So for most of you, I see a positive change coming, a positive beginning, marriage or engagement in your life very soon, Cancers. So that is the reading, guys, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, Cancers.